You girl,
really cute.
on your 17th birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all about you, girl. On your 17th birthday. You got your very own spotlight tonight, and it's all about you. Yeah, it's all about you, girl. You're the birthday girl.
So right now we're going to Dunkin' Donuts and we're gonna get that coffee fix because we're all dead because it's so early in the morning. So
We gonna get that coffee. So come on now.
okay, so we rented a minivan. And turns out all of them are sold out. So now we're kind of stuck trying to look for a car. And yeah, and now I don't know what to do. I think Kenan got one, so I think we're maybe okay with that. But he definitely got a smart car instead. I know for a fact with our luck, he got us a smart car.
So, little quick update. The car that we were gonna get didn't work out, so now we're on the way to the airport to get another car. And I'm really ready.
Excuse the look. We just got here. Well, no, we didn't just get here. We were here for like how long?
We've been here for like half an hour.
Yeah. We're just kind of chilling. The weather's not.
Mia's turning up over there.
It's not very sunny right now, but we're all tanning right now.
We're loving it, and people are looking at us.
Yeah. Are they? Oh yeah.
Just your family. They're like, "What is she doing?"
Are so ugly, not gonna lie. Sorry, I said it. So we're at a restaurant right now. The beach is fun.
Pretty chill vibes at this restaurant.
Yeah, it's really cool. It has a nice kind of view.
What makes it nice is that like all our friends are here and we can see the beach. You can hear the beach. You can hear people laughing.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So we just ate, and I didn't really vlog in there because the waitress took a long time, and I was really annoyed, and I was hungry, so I just didn't feel like it. So we just went to little gift shops. I got some rings.
We went to 3 and one of them had a shark entrance. It was a great white shark's mouth that we had to go through. Had teeth and everything. Pretty interesting, huh?
Oh, I forgot to mention this. At dinner, I said that it was really bad, and that the waitress was like, and I was just,
horrid.
I don't know. Yeah, but it was really nice because we did this thing for everyone's birthday where we go around and tell them what our favorite thing about them is.
We did it for...
And they did it for me, and it was really nice. And yeah, so that made it a lot better.
Wait, where's mine? Evan, I literally don't have a seatbelt.
You literally do, it's right there.
Oh. My Kim Kardashian booty was covering it.
The beach was a lot of fun. Some of my family was there too. And
Mila, the cutest little girl ever in the world.
I am just so grateful to have the best people ever in my life that love and care. And,
Stay more.
Aaron over here.
I hope you guys liked this video. This is more of like a chill kind of video. I just wanted to like show like the warmest parts, I guess. But I want to post a lot more. So stay tuned for that. And I love you guys.
And like them since